guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to create a test flight videos of a new paper airplane which I created based on a Vulcan designed by Origami Enforcer. So let's take a look at this. This has some similar fall to the Vulcan, but this one flies very well and I'm surprised. When I bought it, I did not expect it will fly this far. But anyways, I will show you guys how it's flying, and I'm going to pick it up to see how far it can fly. Okay, so hold the paper airplane right here and then throw it straight. You can see that even though I did not throw it straight up, it still fly very far. Let me pick it up and throw it again to a different direction. Okay, so let me hold it up. Oh, need to fix it first. You see the stabilizers is on the bottom. So let's pick it up and let me throw it to this angle. Let me find the direction to throw this paper airplane. Okay, so I will hold the paper airplane right here and I'll throw it straight to this direction and to see how fast it can fly. Okay, let me hold up here. Take a look at this. This looks amazing, right? 4 stabilizers. It all looks very nice. So take a look at this. Let me throw it now. Wow, it's fly further than I expected. Let me go in to pick it up. Okay guys, so you can see that I'm holding the camera. It's actually very difficult for me to record a video and hold the camera by myself. Let me hold it up, and which angle should I throw it now? Let me throw it this angle. Okay, it's the opposite angle. Hold it and throw it. Wow, actually I throw the plane against the winds, that's why it doesn't fly very well. But let me adjust the wings a little bit and to see how far it can fly. Okay, let me adjust it a little bit. So you can see the stabilizer here. It needs to be parallel with the stabilizer on the top. Let me adjust the stabilizer here. Okay, let me put it down, put it up a bit, otherwise it won't fly very well. Here we go. So it's look very good now. Okay, are you ready? Let's test out this paper airplane again. Very good one. Okay, let me stand here so you can see it under the sunlight. Let me throw it. Wow! 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 This flies so far. Let me go in to pick it up. It's far, far away. I have to run. Where is it now? It's too far, guys. It flies so well. Amazing. Okay, let me pick it up. Let me pick it up, and now